principals in the district from the company because they're new in Grand Prairie, and then the district sent it out to all the teachers and said, hey, you know, if you want to look for this opportunity. So I kind of read up on the company and looked at the application, and I just thought, what an incredible opportunity for our students. So I applied.
Aero Explorer is an introduction to careers in aerospace for pre-K to 3rd grade. We started designing this a year and a half ago, and you are our 3rd school.
Yeah. I think they can look to have fun, experience hands-on this career. So if they want to be a pilot one day, they get to actually be a pilot. If they want to be an artist one day, they get to actually be the artist. So it's really cool. They get to be what they want to be.
Oh gosh, what do I hope the kids get out of this is just, first of all, a really fun way to play and learn about jobs that maybe they had never thought of doing themselves. So I hope it opens up a realm of different possibilities for our kiddos to see for themselves in the future.
We are free to schools. Schools apply to have the program come to them. No buses to worry about, no lunches to worry about. We come to you. No approved vendor. It's free.